Everyone tells beginners to skip the Canon Rebel T7. I wanted to find out if they're right. This is the Canon EOS Rebel T7, a 24.1 megapixel APS-C DSLR that's been Canon's entry-level workhorse for years, usually bundled with the 18-55mm kit lens. The body's mostly polycarbonate over a chassis, light in the hand, not built like a tank, but the grip is deep enough that it doesn't feel cheap. For a camera in this price bracket, that matters. That 24.1 megapixel sensor still holds up for stills. Sharp detail, solid color, and good light. The 9-point autofocus system is the first sign of its age, though. It's basic by today's standards, with only a single cross-type point in the center. Push the ISO past 3200 and you'll start to see noise creep in. This sensor and processor combo is a few generations old now, so don't expect mirrorless level low-light performance. If you're buying this for video or content creation, stop here. It tops out at Full HD 1080p 30 frames per second. No 4K, no mic input upgrade path worth mentioning. This is a stills camera first. Built-in Wi-Fi and NFC make transferring photos to your phone painless, and the menu system is genuinely one of the friendliest for someone picking up a DSLR for the first time. This camera makes sense for one type of buyer, someone who wants to learn real photography, manual controls, interchangeable lenses, an optical viewfinder, without spending mirrorless money to do it. Is the Rebel T7 the best camera you can buy in 2026? No. Is it still one of the easiest, most affordable ways into real photography? Yes! Link to the exact one I used is below in the video description.